Should I hire a big city lawyer for my case? I have talked about it on a couple of other occasions. Whenever you think that you've got your case going on in a slightly smaller city, except perhaps the metropolitan cities, there's a tendency to search for big city lawyers who will fly down or drive down to your city, who will argue the matter and who will get results for you, in comparison to perhaps local lawyers whom you may not have so much of faith in. In my experience, local lawyers may not, sometimes, handful of times, may not have the ability to put across arguments or be so well versed with the law in comparison to, say, a big city lawyer. But it's anyways a big gamble that you're playing. But more than anything else, knowing the judge, when to pause, when to speak, when to go louder, when to go a little quiet. This is an art which is so crucial. I would say about 50% of advocacy skills is just knowing what part of the court to appeal to, what nature of the judge to appeal to when you are making submissions. So I say, why not make the best of both? Why not hire a big city lawyer to do the strategy, to do the draftings, to do the research, and then having the big city lawyer collaborate with the your small town, small city lawyer, get the best of both worlds, where the small town lawyer is able to argue effectively all the points that have been explained, that have been run through by a brainstorm, what do you call it, a mastermind of one, two, maybe more lawyers who are working together. And I've seen fantastic results come out of such collaborations between lawyers. That is better than paying for a big city lawyer's travels and stay and all of that when they don't even know what the judge is like.